Hi there. My name is Robert Miller, and I am the founder of MillerEducationVentures.com. Thank you very much for taking the quiz. What you're going to find out in the coming emails from me, there's going to be a lot of tips and a lot of great information coming out that's very current. I do not, and I'll repeat, do not sell or promote stuff that is pre-recorded from other so-called gurus, okay? I want to make sure everybody that subscribes to this is getting the most current information. So what I'm getting at is one time a week, and it'll be announced very soon about when these live sessions will be, either be Skype or it's going to be on Zoom. A lot of Q&A. So stay tuned. And every tip that's going to be coming out from me is going to be through email. Okay? So if you have any questions or concerns, I recommend right now just writing it all down. And when it comes to the announcement, when I'm going to be having these live Q&As, just be aware it's going to be out there and it will be live. So watch out for the next email coming up. Now, getting back to the definition of you wanting to be an entrepreneur. This quiz was kind of helping you to separate. Do you want to sell physical products? Do you want to sell services? Physical products are like Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, if you have a hobby. Services are like life coaches, coaching in general, or even, say, psychiatrists, therapists, physiotherapists. You're going to learn all this stuff in the upcoming emails, okay? So be very aware. Check your spam box. My emails should be not going into your spam box. So if you prefer to, or if you know how actually, add me to your address book in your email, whichever your Gmail, Yahoo, or even if you have a private domain. Okay? Thank you very much for taking the quiz, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side very soon.